National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern CHEATHAM County in Middle Tennessee, east central Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Adams, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Springfield. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Do not stay outdoors if you are in the path of severe thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for Central Tennessee.